You need to hear this if you're a science enthusiast. Have you ever wondered, what makes circular rainbows appear? Let's uncover the science behind this stunning phenomenon. First things first, what is a circular rainbow? Unlike the typical semicircular rainbows we see from the ground, which form an arc, a circular rainbow is a complete 360-degree circle. This phenomenon occurs when light is refracted, or bent, and then reflected inside water droplets in the atmosphere. These are usually visible from high altitudes, like in an airplane where the observer can see the full circle without any obstructions, or when there's no obstruction between you and the horizon. The conditions need to be just right, with the sun positioned low in the sky and the observer at a high vantage point. The science behind it is fascinating. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it slows down and bends as it goes from air to denser water. The light reflects off the inside surface of the droplet, and as it exits, it bends again. This bending and reflecting process causes the light to spread out into its component colors, creating a spectrum. When this happens in a circular pattern, we get a circular rainbow. So next time you're flying or find yourself at a high vantage point, keep an eye out for this rare and beautiful sight. It's a reminder of the incredible natural phenomena that surround us. The magic of circular rainbows lies in refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light in water droplets. These natural phenomena come together to create one of nature's most beautiful spectacles. When sunlight enters a spherical droplet, it bends. That's refraction. This bending of light is the first step in the creation of a rainbow. The light slows down and changes direction as it moves from air into the denser water. Reflects off the back of the droplet. This reflection is crucial as it sends the light back through the droplet, allowing it to interact further with the water, and then exits, splitting into its component colors, which is dispersion. Dispersion occurs because different colors of light bend by different amounts. This separation of colors is what gives a rainbow its distinct bands of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The circular shape comes from the symmetrical way light interacts with spherical droplets. Each droplet acts like a tiny prism, bending and reflecting light in a consistent pattern. From a high vantage point, you can see the full circle without the ground cutting it off. This is because the ground usually obstructs the bottom part of the circle when viewed from the ground. However, from an elevated position, such as an airplane, the entire circular rainbow can be seen in all its glory. This full circle view is a rare and breathtaking sight, showcasing the complete beauty of this natural phenomenon. So, when can you spot a circular rainbow? You'll most likely see one from an airplane during a sunny day with scattered clouds, 2, near waterfalls where mist fills the air, and 3, in rare atmospheric conditions involving fog or high-altitude ice crystals. Here are a few fun facts about circular rainbows, also known as full circle rainbows, or 360-degree rainbows. Unlike the typical arc-shaped rainbows we often see, these rainbows form a complete circle. They are a rare and beautiful phenomenon that can be observed under the right conditions. First, they're also called glories when they appear around the shadow of an airplane. This happens when sunlight interacts with tiny water droplets in the atmosphere, creating a halo effect around the plane's shadow. Pilots and passengers often get the best views of these stunning glories. Second, you need the sun at your back to see them clearly. This positioning allows the sunlight to refract and reflect through the water droplets, forming the circular shape. The sun's angle is crucial for the full circle effect to be visible. Fun fact, a moonbow, or lunar rainbow, is a rare nighttime phenomenon that occurs when moonlight refracts through water droplets in the atmosphere. Unlike daytime rainbows, moonbows are much fainter because the light from the moon is less intense than sunlight. Now you know what makes circular rainbows appear and why they're so rare. Have you ever seen one? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing science content. See you in the next video.